level here at 21,300, and you can also see on Bookmap 21,300 right here is a level right there. You see that on the heat map, but it looks like we're getting a pullback right now. So I'm going to see if I can find a direction with a trend line and wait and see if we'll get a heavier pullback, possibly back to a level in this area, or if we're going to pop right here, hold above this trend line and test that 21,300. Then I'll enter right above the trend line. If I see some value kick in, I'll just take a quick scalp to that 21,300 and then see if I can re-enter if I see more levels coming in on Bookmap, possibly to 21,310 or 21,312. So let's see what's going to come into play. I'm starting off with a $0 balance. Need to get this balance up so I can trade with more contracts, hit that $200 daily goal. I only need 5 days so that I can get a 50% payout. We have some data at 2 o'clock and then 2:45. I'm gonna wait until we get close to 2 o'clock to see what happens. Just trying to see if I can get this quick scalp back to the trend line. If not, then I'm not gonna like this loss right here. 21287. Looks like we're holding. I might move my take profit. Looks like we don't want to break above the 8.5. We just need one more little push to it's being stubborn at that 8.5. There we go.
Order filled.
I should have just let that run actually, because I'm below my 200 target because of the cost of the contracts. That is so annoying. Now I'm going to draw another trend line from this low to where the new trend is forming. Could even scalp this right here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Have a level below 21275. You might have to get out of this soon. I just wanted to get back on really quick just to show you guys how we bounced off this level where I took profit just to hit that 21,300 level that I was talking about. And we got a nice move up, beautiful move up. Could have placed my stop loss right below here if I would have had more patience and would have, rode this all the way back to 21,300. So that just shows how patience really does pay and that there's so many opportunities when you're trading. You don't need to complicate things or think you need like a special algorithm or software. This is really just me using trend lines, and I just started using Bookmap last week. Actually, I wasn't using it and I was still doing fine without it. Bookmap is just extra confirmation, but like this 21,300 level, this level right here, these are all levels that I marked without Bookmap. So if I look at Bookmap, it's just that extra confirmation, like I said, that we have buyers or sellers at these levels. So as you can see, 21,300 was cleared through. We got nothing but room now to 337. And it's now 218. I wouldn't be surprised if we got moved to 21337. Let's just see what data we have releasing. 245. Yeah, so that move probably won't happen until around 245 when that data is released. But NQ definitely wants that push back up. We have a lot of levels up here. As long as that data is good, we can likely get a push up, but I'm not going to stick around for that. I'm just going to, take what I made today and be good with it, because I am kind of getting a little bit of FOMO right now, though, because look at that move. If I would have had those 18, 19 contracts that I had on this move right here, yeah, that would have been pretty nice. I'm so tempted to enter more contracts above this 21,300, but one of my rules is to not enter at the top. So, like, if I can't catch the move at the bottom, I'm not going to enter heavy at the top. That's been a mistake that I've made before, and sometimes I've gotten really, really lucky. But there's been a few times where it's like it'll move back to break even. And I won't take it because I'll be like, no, like it needs to hit my take profit, but then like something happens in the market and it reverses. So yeah, I don't enter at the top. We might get a pullback back to 9.4 before we hit back up again. And the thing is, you never really know where those pullbacks are going to be. That's just not my specialty. I don't know where the pullbacks are, going to end. But damn, we did hit that 21,300 pretty nicely. And I knew we were going to pull back first before we hit that 21,300. I'm trying to think of, how I could have seen this play come about. Like, I knew we were getting to here, but we could have also broke below a bit to 6.4 because that was a level on Bookmap as well. But that's not what happened. We just got that quick move. Right. Yeah, so I don't really see anything else that's low risk coming into play right now. Like I said, we could get that move to this trend line, which is at 2.5, 2.425, and then probably get that move to 2.1338 or 4.0. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get that move up. Alright, well, I'm done for the day. I'm likely not going to trade tomorrow because this trade counts as tomorrow's session because it's already 2 in the morning. But I do want to see this reflect on my stats and keep track of that because I want to know if the first trade I only made 177. I want to know if they're going to count what I'm paying for the contracts, if they count that as a $200 day because they deducted the cost of the 20 contracts that I was trading. So, because if that was the case, I could have just stopped trading after that first trade. I didn't need to add that extra stress and take that second trade. That was kind of, it wasn't that risky, but if we would have got this move when I was in this trade over here using a mental stop loss, then yeah, I would have probably been negative like 300 right now. But likely I would have made it back with this run up right here. Anyways, okay, I'm done.